Hey, welcome back to the Fit Survive channel. So what we have here today is what I'm calling a champ flame. And so basically it's going to be a Swiss champ, and you see we've added the butane lighter from the Swiss flame. And you can tell really well, especially this overhead light, that this lighter has quite a bit of wear on it. But these lighters, the Swiss flame, the champ flame, they're very difficult to source, very expensive. And so this is the only one we could find basically within our price range. All right, so I'm going to show you that lighter first. So we turn off this overhead light. All right, so you see that's been fixed. That lights right away. All right, and if you haven't seen my glow-in-the-dark patch, those are available now on my website, so be sure to check that out if you're interested. All right, so the rest of the Swiss champ is actually not going to be quite stuck. We use several kind of the older retired tools. So I'm going to show you the tool set, kind of explain some of that. So this is the clip point blade from the older models. All right, then we have also, this is the older blade. You can tell by this tang stamp here. It's got the crossbow. All right, then we have the metal file, which is going to be your standard you find in a new Swiss champ. Same thing with the saw and the fish descaler. And then we have the scissors. And then I tried to basically get the butane lighter as close to the center as I could. Kind of makes it the most convenient location for lighting that, which you can't see whenever the light's on. All right, then we have the pliers. And then the next layer is also in the older tool sets here. So it's the longer inline Phillips, and it has the 8x magnifying glass with the gray housing. All right, then we have the standard can, bottle openers. And then on the back, another request was that I use the older corkscrew, which has the riveted lines there. You can see those, kind of. There we go, you can see it a bit like that. So again, just from the older Swiss Army knives. All right, then the rest of the back tools are going to be what you'd expect on a standard Swiss champ. Got the chisel, small flathead, and the parcel hook, and the awl. All right, so that is basically all for this knife. Basically, it's very much stock, other than having some of the older tools. And of course, you know, this is not a standard tool set having the butane lighter in a Swiss champ. I'll go show you that one more time. All right, so let me know what you think about this champ flame. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.